So welcome back to Adventures of Crypto and Roach. Danny and Jeremy.
What's up, guys? Good to see you guys again.
Today we're going to be washing Crypto and Roach after long rides. So you always want to wash your bike and dry it real good, clean the chain regularly, especially after long rides. You know, put some chain lube on it before, like any long rides and after. So what we did already is we just kind of pre-rinsed Crypto, and I'm gonna, follow me, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little pre-rinse on Roach here.
And we can see too, the reason we do this is because we can see how much rust actually builds up on the chain. So if you don't clean the chain regularly, wash regularly, you're gonna have a chain. Come take a look at this down here. You see how much rust is on there? That is a ton of rust. So you'll see a before and after shot, and you can see Roach's is not as bad as mine right now. Right there.
You got a whole bunch of buckets of clean water over here, because we do not have a water hose at the moment.
Yeah, that's real true.
And we have some soapy water over here, some rags, and I got this little bad Malagama. It's easy to get down between like the crevices and stuff, and up in all the little holes.
Yeah.
So
This would be a lot easier if the wash, I guess the car wash, the self-car wash was open, but Sundays, everything shuts down here in Germany. So just happened today that this was going to happen on a Sunday, where we would just take you down to a self, car wash, and it'd be super easy. But this is what we're going to do today.
all right, let's do it.
All right. Around the block real quick just to get air dry a little bit more, and then we'll come back and dry it fully, and then we'll continue on working the chain.
What we're gonna do now that we've washed them and dried them off as much as possible, we're gonna spray them down with this silicone spray. And this is WD-40. They make a specialist silicone spray, which is really cool. I got that one in Japan, and this one was maybe Amazon.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna spray everything down, the whole bike.
Except for the brakes.
Except for, except for the brakes. And obviously the hand grips, because when you go to push the brakes and they're covered in silicone spray, then it ain't gonna work.
When you're driving around after a ride, or if it's just sitting in here in between rides, there gets dust and anything on there, then you can just go ahead and just wipe it off, and it comes off super easy.
Alright, so now we have chain cleaner and we have chain lube, road. Make sure you get the right lube. This Motul is a really good brand. They don't sponsor us or anything. This is Dr. Whack. No idea. German brand.
Yeah.
So we're gonna spray some chain cleaner on, let that sit for a minute, and then we're just gonna scrub it all off with
This thing right here.
Sandy has Crypto up on his handy dandy stand, and I have Roach up on this little rolly majig, and that's the technical term for it. And
Right.
yeah, we're gonna get the cleaning.
All right, let's do it. Cool. It's a lot easier on the other one, huh?
Do not be an idiot and put your motorcycle up on the stand and put it in first gear and turn it on while you're cleaning the chain.
Yeah, don't do that.
That
Are you saying that from personal?
so.
Don't do that.
wipe off. Like, spread it. Turn it.
Oh, she looks nice. Yeah.
Look where that is. Top, bottom.
Yeah, that's all dirty.
Side.
Motorcycle dentistry.
Backside.
Oh, so got a nice bit.
There we go. Cool. That's good. All right, cool. So last step we're gonna do is we're gonna lube the chain. That way it gets a lot of good lubricant on it. And then we'll be done. We'll be done with washing, making these bikes ready for the next ride that we're gonna be planning here shortly for all you guys. All right. Well, after always a good ride, you need a good clean. So thanks again for tuning in, watching us. Again, this isn't some, we're not pros here. I mean, he has way more experience than I do. I'm a very novice rider, so this stuff I'm really learning as I'm going. And all you new motorcycle enthusiasts out there, you're along for the journey, and these are really good videos. So I appreciate you, Jeremy, teaching us how to do this.
Yeah.
Cheers.